morning. Respected guests on the dais, off the dais, panel members, dear friends. Let me start with a story. I heard this story is also in the reception of Toyota headquarters in Japan. And the story goes that there is this picture of lion and there is this picture of deer. And underneath written is that in Sahara Desert, when the lion wakes up in the morning, he thinks, I need to run fast today. Because lions can only run for 1.5 minutes and then they are out of energy. So lion is thinking, today when I wake up, I have to run really fast to catch my lunch. At the same time, in Sahara somewhere, a deer also wakes up and thinks, today I have to run faster so I do not become the lunch. I think as globalization has brought countries together, competition is stirring up. And the way that deer or lion can win this lion-deer game is by becoming innovative. How do you adapt to that environment of Sahara? It's hot, humid. How do you understand surroundings around you? How can you hide better? How can you attack better? More you understand the environment, more you are adapted to the changes, more probability that you are going to strive, thrive, and sustain yourself. I think business environment is becoming something similar, if not the same. And the difference between invention and innovation is, invention is solving a problem. Innovation is when solving a problem can create social or economic value. Then you have innovated. And that should impact, that should affect life of substantial number of people. Let me tell you one very painful story that I was somewhere in Sonipat in Haryana. And 3 of my friends who are from supercomputing domain, they have quit their job and they have started a dairy farm. Next to this dairy farm, there was a field. So when I went and visited that dairy farm, this farmer was plowing that field with a tractor. And I saw there is something green in the field. So I asked these guys, what is he doing? They said, we don't know, let's just go and check. So one of the guy was local, so he started speaking him in Haryanvi and said, what are you doing, Tau? So the gentleman said that I had sown the crop of radish, mooli. After the crop is ready, you can think of how much effort he has put. After the crop is ready, the value that I'm getting in the market is so less that it does not make sense for me to take this crop out and sell it. I would rather bury it back and utilize it as a fertilizer for the next crop. Now solving those kind of pain points also comes under the purview of innovation. Hence I say that innovation should create either social or economic value. You mentioned about creating brand. I think that's where we lack the most. You have a wonderful product that nobody knows about, right? We Indians were always doing that charcoal and namak, and people laughed at us. And now Colgate is coming out with charcoal toothbrush. And they say, सोने में चमक है, डायमंड में दमक है, ये सब छोड़िए, ये बताइए कि आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है. So it's all about branding. Sir was asking me what is happiness technology. Some 23 years ago, I was engineering electronic circuits to be happy. And now I've taken a little bit of turn. Now I'm engineering happiness so youngsters like you can create more innovative electronic circuits. Okay? With that, thank you very much. I wish you all the best.